Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Do you read over?
Yeah, Roger, give me a couple of minutes. I need to turn the car around and get towards the end of the lane. I've only got in it.
Roger Dodger. So this is a customer's Amstrad 901 type, genuine, made in Japan. It's come in for service and it's had that. Over the years it's had the PA transistor changed for a different one to what should be in there, and the one that should be in there has been
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie receiving.
Tango 21 over.
I'm heading towards the end of the lane.
Roger on that. The one that should be in there have been discontinued for 20 odd years, and most of those on eBay are fakes. If you buy one of those, you're lucky to get 1.5 watts. And so really when you're buying two SC2166 transistors from Mitsubishi, because they're all going to be over 20 years old, you're going to be looking for a picture of a transistor with very tarnished pins and tabs, not something that's bright and shiny, because that's going to be a fake. So I said to the customer, it's doing 3.5 watts, and to be honest, you're better off with it doing 3.5 watts with the wrong transistor that's in, than to spend an awful lot of money getting a genuine Mitsubishi output device. And considering most new sets we're lucky to get more than that out of them, I don't think, and he's had this years, it's going to have been like this for years. Roger got you at the service station. So at least it's on frequency, doing the proper deviation, and the receive detector was miles out. So let's hope that this works properly on this test.
Now going through Ancaster Crossroads, over.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Right, just going over the top of the hill as we descend in towards Wilford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
That's another nice sounding set.
Good.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, just going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford, over.
I've got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford, and this radio's got extremely good sensitivity.
Roger that, I think I had the squelch up a bit higher there.
Okay, well you are reading me, aren't you, over?
Yep, loud and clear, not quite 4 watts, I don't think, but there you go.
No, it's not quite 4 watts, that's why, that's it.
Oh, just going over Wilford level crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger.
This is our microphone. I just put a new one on it because the customer's factory original microphone, there's a break in the lead just there, and we can't get new leads cheaper than we can get new mics, so it's got to that situation.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
We're now passing the Grayleys turn, over.
Roger, getting you at the Grayleys turn.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, going over Rawsby level crossing.
Roger, got you over Rawsby level crossing. I can't speak, and I think you're going shopping now.
Roger.
Right, I'll catch you at Tango Towers later. Tango 21 out.
Problem, fantastic.
Okay, so that's on our microphone. His microphone, as I say, was the factory original, but unfortunately the mic lead's gone. So there we are. I'll just do this. I know we've done the Amstrad 901s before, but it's a different set and it's a different day, and I'm sure some of you will be interested in seeing a genuine Amstrad 901 instead of the usual fake Amstrad 901. Just do it to our base station so you can hear what it sounds like.
Tango 21, testing the customer's Amstrad 901, genuine made in Japan one, into our Harrier CBHQ base station, testing for 12345 54321. Thank you for watching.